To find the solution to this system of equations by graphing, we have to make sure that both of these equations are in the form of y equals to mx plus b, where we can find the slope and the y-intercept to graph the lines. So let's start with our first equation, which is 5x minus 2y equals to 16. So I'm going to divide this equation into two sections. So the left section is going to be where the y is. So since negative 2y is already on the left side, you just bring it down. Equals to everything else on the right side. So I need to move 5x to the other side. So therefore, positive 5x will become negative 5x. And since 16 is already on that side, you just bring it down, positive 16. And the last step, to isolate the y, I would divide both sides by negative 2. So therefore, now it's just going to be y equals to negative 5 over negative 2. That leaves us positive 5 over 2x. And then 16 over negative 2 will give us negative 8. So from this equation, we know that our slope is 5 over 2, the number in front of x, and the y-intercept is negative 8. When you graph this line, always graph the y-intercept first, which is negative 8, and that's the point on the y-axis right here. Since my slope is positive, so that means I'm going to go up 5 times and then over 2. Up 5 times and then over 2 again. And then you can connect these points to graph your line for this equation. So now let's focus on our next equation, which is x equals to 6 minus y. So again, I want the y on the left side. So when I move negative y to the other side, that will become positive y equals to, and I want to move the x to the other side. So positive x will become negative x, and 6 stays positive because it's already on the right side. And that's it for this equation. So I can identify my slope. My slope is the number in front of x, which is the invisible 1. So it's negative 1, and you can make that as a fraction by putting 1 under it. And my y-intercept is positive 6. So again, you want to graph your y-intercept first. So plot the point 6 on the y-axis. And since my slope is negative, so I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, over 1, and connect those 3 points. And the solution to this system of equation is where the two lines intersected at this point right here. And at this point, your x value is 4, and then your y value is 2. So therefore, the solution to this system of equations is this.